I like to open up packages.
Ready?
Ready.
Here. Hi, welcome back to More to Love Homestead. We got a package in the mail today.
I'm Isaiah. I like to open up packages.
So, we're going to let him open my package from Haas Tools, which is some stuff that we are going to plant here on this brand new homestead. Here, buddy. Shall I help you a little bit?
Yes. Okay. I'm going to do a little help.
Okay.
Thank you.
No, let mommy do it. All right, you should be able to get it now. What is it? What is that? What is this? Do you know what this is?
Yeah.
What is it?
It might be seeds.
It might be seeds.
Yeah,
What's that?
This is seeds.
Okay. Let me see. There should have been another.
What's in there? We should open up other packages.
Oh, there it is.
And so, you have
Well, we gotta show what it is. Here.
A tree! Tree!
Sit with me, please.
Okay. Thank you. And I'm learning me.
All right. Now be quiet and don't talk over me because then they can't hear us, okay? Sit down. All right, the smallest thing in here is something I'm really excited about. Isaiah, what are these?
Pepper seeds.
Peppers, red Marconi peppers. I'm hoping that they are similar to the Marconi roses that I grew 2 years ago that were so delicious, and I couldn't find them last year. They were out of stock everywhere. Second thing is buckwheat. I think I got a pound of it to help with stabilizing some of the mountain terrain in the back there, and potentially out front. Okay, and the third thing, is this heavy?
Yes.
This is really heavy. After a short commercial break for a hungry baby, the third thing is really heavy. Do you know what this is, Stink?
No.
Do you want to guess?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think, let's open it up.
No, we're not going to open it up because it's seeds. So the third thing is, I think I got 2 pounds because they didn't have any 5-pound bags of crimson clover. I think that's going to look absolutely... Okay, stop talking over me, please. You wait until I'm finished before you talk. I think crimson clover is going to look fantastic on the mountain out front where it washed out. It's wonderful for the pollinators. They love it. It's beautiful, and it tends to come back pretty vigorously every year because it drops its seed. And it also is a food source for...
Mommy, I had to ask you a question. There's more other packages out there. So we had to open.
Those are for Daddy. I don't think anybody wants to see what Daddy got. They're closed for work. That's all. Nothing exciting like what we got. Nothing exciting like what we got. So the clover is really good as an additional food source for the bunnies and for the chickens. They love it. And it's really beautiful. So I think that is going to be a great addition to the landscape out front. And then I also would like to put some up in the area where I'm going to be putting the chickens, just to have that started so that I can give that to them. So that's it. That was a pretty hefty seed haul for today. That's a lot of seed in there. This is 2 pounds. No, 5 pounds. It's 5 pounds of seed, of clover seed. That is going to go a long way, I hope. The buckwheat also in stabilizing the hill out front. And the peppers, I'm extremely excited about. I'm actually probably going to get them started, a round of them, in about 2 weeks towards the end of February, because they take a long time to germinate, and I'd like to maybe get a seed mat to hopefully get a little bit better germination. My germination wasn't that great last year till later in the season when it got warm. So that's it from us. Do you want to say bye?
No, I want to talk. We're to love Homestead. Welcome to Homestead. Welcome to More Love Homestead. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.